Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the unicorn from Adopt Me Roblox. So let's get started. To draw this very hard to get unicorn, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. So nice big circle for the eyes. Make it a lot cuter. And I'm not going to make them draw so cute eyes. I'm just going to come right here, simplify it, and add a little circle right here for a highlight, and then just shade everything in. Okay, so we have the eye in. So then from there comes the hardest part of this drawing. It's drawing the nose area of the unicorn. So to make it a little bit easier, just wherever your eye is, the top of it, come right across. So just using this as your guide, come right across. So say about this much. Just imagine the bridge of the unicorn right here. So about that much, I'm going to give myself a point. And from there, I'm just going to draw a curve. So straighten it out. And I'm just going to go really slowly so it can be a little bit easier. And then about right here, I'm not going to make it too long so it's a little bit cuter. I'm going to start to bring it in. And I'm going to round it off. Nice and round. And as we come to the eye area, I'm going to start to bring it in, close to the eye, coming to the eye, I mean. And about right here, where this eye ends, about this area right here, we'll bring it in, and then we're just going to start to slope down, just very slightly. So that is the general shape. So just use your eye as the guide, come out, round it off, and bring it back right here where the eye is. Start right here and dip it in. So then from there, using this point now, we're going to start to go up. So just come up a little bit, and we've created the curve. So hopefully I was able to help you make that a little bit easier. So from there, I know there's going to be a horn right here. So in about this area, as I come up, I'm going to stop, and right here above the eye, I'm going to draw a curve at a slant. And using this as my guide, the center, I'm going to go right up. So say about this much for my horn. And I'm going to round off the tip a little bit and bring an angled line right back down. And then whatever space I have left, I'm just going to come in here and finish it off. Okay, so then now we can start to imagine this coming through. So about right here, we're going to start to come down for the head, top of the head. And because I'm using a Sharpie and I can't erase, I'm going to stop right here and draw the ear. But if you're using a pencil, go ahead and round it off. So about in this area, at an angle of this eye, I'm going to come right here, draw a curve. And using this, I'm going to go up, round off the tip, and come back down for an ear. So I almost forgot, I need to draw the other side. So about right here, I'm just going to tuck in the other ear. There. Just an indication of it. From there, now that I have the ear in, I'm just going to imagine this being overlapped by the ear, and I'm going to come out about right here, and I'm going to start to finish the head. So I'm just going to round it off, and right here, round it off, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. There. So there's, just remember, there's a slight dip right here, and then it rounds off. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the body. We're going to come about right here. Just imagine the neck area, so that you don't really see a neck. It's just a head connected to a body. So about right here, I'm just going to start with a slight curve down. And about right here, I'm going to round it off. And let's come right here where this dip is. And in this area, I'm just going to draw a curve for the chest area. And then we can bring it together. So about right here, nice and round. And bring this down right here. So we're just going to connect it up. Kind of looks like a little jelly bean, nice and round. So we're just going to go up. From there, I'm going to come to this side because I almost forgot again to draw the other eye. So just imagine this eye at an angle. So it'll pop out about right here. So I'm just going to come right in this area where it kind of curves, dips in, and just draw a curve. Kind of imagine the same size as that. And then I'm just going to go in and shade that in. There. Now it looks a little bit better, right? Maybe a little bit bigger. Just take a look, step back, take a look. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the mane right here. So we're going to start with the first one right here, in this area, and we're going to curve it out. Come down, curve it out. And then bring it in. So right here, about this area, just going to tuck it in. And then another one. And tuck it right back into this space. And maybe a little indication of another one right here. So nothing too fancy. Okay, so then the tail in this area right here, we're going to just same thing, just pop out, big curve. Come out and wobble it back in, and one more, just tuck it right back under here and connect. So now to draw the feet, which is what I think is the cutest part of this drawing, this character here from Roblox. So we're going to draw 4 of these feet that are not attached to the unicorn. So we're just going to put it right under here. So you know what, I'm going to start right here with the first one. It's not going to touch, so about right here. It's basically just a bottom of a U and then connect it. It's like 4 white gumdrops under the unicorn, right? Okay, so then we have this one in just so that I can make sure it's spaced out correctly. I'm going to come right, let's see here, onto this side and draw the other one. So about right here. So I just want to make sure I have enough space. Okay, so I have those 2, and then now I need to put 2 in here. So right in the center of this area, I'm going to start on this one first because this one is slightly touching because it's in the background. And one more right in here. So now we know nice and nicely spaced out. Of course, you don't have to do that. If you feel comfortable just going ahead and drawing it right across, definitely do that. Okay, there. So we have the unicorn in. And of course, I'm going to add a little heart right here. So they're all done. I hope you love how this Roblox unicorn turned out, and I made it easy and fun for you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.